G'day everyone, welcome here to windy Lorne in Victoria, just outside of Melbourne, about 140 kilometres from Melbourne roughly, and just found this interesting houseboat. How cool is that? We haven't got the washing hung out. It's supposed to be for sale I think, but it looks like a clothesline up the top there. So we'll just get a bit closer to it. I have no idea what it's meant to be, apart from being a boat with a house on it, but whether it's a memorial or anything. I'm just getting a bit close to it. It's probably about 2 stories high. This is inside the boat. Looks like it's been here a long time. And the Lorne Pier is in that direction down there, which I've been to before. So yeah, how cool is that?